Hi, I'm Rose Parlato, and I'm from Cafe Espresso Ristorante Italiano in Buffalo, New York. And we are a very unique European restaurant with European food. And today I'm going to show you how to fold a napkin with a napkin. I'm going to use a 12 by 12 linen napkin. And I'm going to start with the seam down. Now this is a very interesting, very modern way that I used or learned in Europe, and it is our signature napkin here, and I think it's going to be very interesting to you. We're going to make like a little package. So the seam is down, and we're going to go up about 3/4 of the way with the seam up now. We're going to fold with our hands, iron with your hands, because that's how they did in the old times, and it gives you a very good clean look. We're going to come up now, and we're going to bring up another fold. Again, see, I'm making a little fold in the middle, and as you can see now, the seams are all in its correct order by starting with the seam down. Now we're going to flip over. As we flip over, we're going to come across like this, and we're going to fold just a little ways here. We're going to bring it to the middle. Again, fold again to the middle. We are going to fold it 3/4 of a way here, and then bringing it to the middle again. By doing this, you have a little package going on here, which is a little area to put your fork and your knife. It keeps clean. You can also carry it and have everything all together, and it is just like very, very interesting.